Hello viewers, hope you all are fine. Today we are here with another new strategy for you, and today we will share a new type of analysis using two indicators. It is our humble request to you to watch this video for just 5 minutes, then you will understand this analysis completely, and request to apply it at least once because it is a very effective analysis. In today's video, we will show you how to set up those indicators, how to analysis, and how to take entry anyway we will discuss today. So stay with us, and I am an official member of Forex BD. I hope you all are well. First, let's see how to set up the indicator. Here we will set up two indicators and analyze using these two indicators. At the beginning, we come to the indicator option in the trading view, and then from here, we will search by typing TMA overlay. When you search by typing this name, this indicator will appear in front of you, and you have to set up the same indicator that we are setting up. We have set up this indicator, and now we will do some setting. So we have clicked on the setting option, and from here come to the input option and remove the tick mark from these three options. I repeat, remove the tick mark from the last three options, then click on OK. So this is for our first indicator. Now we will set up the second indicator. In the same way, come to the indicator option and search by writing neglected volume by DGT, and then set up this indicator. So we have set up. Now we have to set a bit of this indicator, so we come to the setting option. Here we just come to the style option and remove the tick mark. That's the only thing. Remove the tick marks from all the options except the first option and the last option. We have removed the tick mark, and now it's time to analyze, but first let me give you some idea about this indicator. First of all, the indicator that we have set up called TMA overlay is composed of moving average and engulfing candlestick. The length of the red color line at the bottom is 200. The length of the line above the 200 MA is 100. The length of the line above it is 50. And the length of the last line is 21. The market is now in uptrend, so the lines are below the candlestick like this, and the 200 moving average line is at the bottom, and when the market is in downtrend these lines will go up and the 200 moving average line will be at the top. We will only take sell entries when the market is below the moving average lines. Again, when the market is above the moving average lines, then we will only take buy entry. Again, you can see some arrow symbols in different parts of the market, but these are created from this indicator. Especially when engulfing candlesticks are formed, this indicator marks them with an arrow symbol. And surely you understand what is meant by the arrow symbol. The red arrow symbol is pointing downwards, which means this indicator is giving a sell signal. And the green arrow sign is pointing upwards, which means this indicator is giving a buy signal. In this way, you can analyze with this indicator. Now is the time to analyze. How do you analyze? For analysis, we need to keep a few things in mind as we have set up two indicators, so we will analyze with the help of two indicators and follow these to take buy and sell entries. How to take an entry. I am showing how to take buy entry at the beginning. To take a buy entry, the market must first be above the moving average. Here you can see a total of 4 lines. These are moving average lines, so the market should be above these lines. This is the first criteria, and secondly, the market should have a bullish signal. You can see some arrow marks in the market, so as we will take a buy entry, the market should have green arrow sign or bullish signal, and the last criteria is the volume indicator should have green histogram at that moment. Hope you understand the point. Here you can see that the market is now above the moving average lines, so here our first criteria has matched. As the market is now in an uptrend, we will only take buy entry. Then we can see there's a green arrow created here and pointing upwards. So here our second criteria has matched. Basically, when you see the green symbol, then it is the time for analysis. Lastly, you have to see what is the color of the histogram of the volume indicator when the green arrow symbol is formed. If the color of the histogram is green, then the buy entry can be taken. We can see that there is green histogram on the volume indicator at the same time when the arrow mark was formed, then entry can definitely be taken from such a placement. So here our analysis worked. All of you will follow this way, and if you can achieve it, then surely you will get good feedback. Again, you should keep in mind the criteria for following this analysis. Of course, take entries when these criteria are matched. If there is an exception, then there is no need to take entries, otherwise you will not get good feedback. Now let's see how to take a sell entry. We have to follow it completely in reverse, then we can follow this analysis to take a sell entry. Now in case of taking a sell entry, the market should be below the moving average lines. Keep one thing in mind, that there are 4 lines, so the market must be down from all 4 lines. Again, in case of taking a buy entry, the market should be above 4 lines. Then we have to wait for the red arrow sign, and the last rule is that when the red arrow sign is formed, then the volume indicator should have red histogram, then you can definitely take an entry. As you can see now in the chart, there is a position, that means the market is below all moving average lines, so here we have our criteria matched. Then we will wait for a red arrow sign. So at this point, we can see a red arrow pointing down, and at the same time we can see the red histogram is formed on the volume indicator. Then here our second and third rules are matched, then entry can be taken from such a position. If we see the next movement of the market, then we can see that the market then went into a downtrend. So here is the movement of the market according to our analysis. So you can follow this way if you want.
We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house or payment gateway. You must use the Forex BD's link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that Forex BD can meet your needs all the time.